In this video, I will show you how to create blanket mockup in Photoshop. First of all, open a mockup image in Photoshop, then click on Quick Selection tool. Select the blanket using the Quick Selection tool. Press Ctrl+J to create a new layer, which separates the blanket from the background. After that, right-click on the blanket layer and convert it into a smart object. Now go to Filter, then Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 3 and click OK. Next, save this file by going to File, Save As. Name it Displacement. And save it. After saving, come back to the mockup file and delete the Gaussian Blur Smart Filter from the blanket layer. Now open the blanket design. Use the Move tool to drag the design onto the mockup image. Right-click on Design and convert to Smart Object. And reduce the opacity, so the blanket beneath will be visible. Now resize the design according to the blanket size. Reset the opacity. Rename the layer design. Once the placement looks good, right-click on the design layer and select Create Clipping Mask, so the design stays within the blanket area. After that, we go to Filter, Distort, Displace. Set the horizontal and vertical values to 25. Click OK. Select the displacement file we saved earlier. This makes the design follow the natural folds of the blanket. Next, change the blending mode of the design layer to Linear Burn. Then open FX Blending Options. Hold Alt and move the slider to the left. This reveals the bumps for a more realistic look. Then we add an adjustment layer. Select Levels. Move the middle slider slightly to the right. With these final adjustments, the blanket mockup is ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, please subscribe, share, and keep watching.